You don't need a big backyard to create a beautiful garden. Sometimes all you need is a small balcony, a sunny window, or even one unused corner of your room. And the best part, a small space can actually become one of the most beautiful and relaxing area of your home when you use it the right way. So, if you have always wanted a garden but thought you simply did not have enough space, don't worry. In today's video, I am sharing 10 small space garden ideas that actually work from vertical garden and hanging plants or container arrangements and cozy sitting area and creative ways to turn even the smallest outdoor or indoor space into beautiful green garden. And stay until the end because the last idea is especially useful if you have almost no floor space at all. Let's get started. When floor space is limited, the easiest solution is to start thinking vertically. Instead of spreading plants across the floor, use your walls, railings, and vertical plant stands. A vertical garden can completely change the appearance of small balcony or a narrow outdoor area. You can use wall mounted planters, vertical shelves, hanging pockets, or even a simple plant ladder. For a more modern look, keep the containers similar in shape or material. And if you prefer a more natural or a boho style, woven baskets and wooden plant stands can create a warmer feeling. You can also mix different heights. Place taller plants toward the back, medium plants in the middle, and trailing plants toward the front. This creates layer and makes a small garden look much fuller without actually taking up more floor space. A few plants you could consider include trailing rosemary, creeping fig, spiderwort, or different varieties of ferns depending on your light and climate. But always check the specific growing requirements before choosing a plant for your space. You don't need a traditional garden bed to grow beautiful plants. Containers can give you almost the same flexibility while taking up much less space. And this is where you can really get creative. Instead of using one large pot, try grouping several containers of different heights. For example, you could combine a taller planter with two medium pots and one smaller pot. This creates a layered arrangement that feels much more intentional. You can also grow flowering plants, herbs, ornamental grasses, or even vegetables in containers. And there is another advantage. If your plant is not happy in one location, you can move the container and experiment with better position. Just remember that the container should have proper drainage and the plant should be matched to the amount of sunlight your space receives. If you have a balcony, don't think of it as simply an outdoor passage. Think of it as an extra room. Start with one side for greenery. Use railing planters, hanging baskets, or narrow plant stands to save floor space. Then add one small chair. You don't need a lot of furniture. In fact, keeping the furniture minimal can make the balcony feel larger. And a small outdoor rug, a few plants, and perhaps warm lighting, and suddenly that forgotten balcony become a place where you actually want to spend time. And here is a question for you. If you had a small balcony, would you turn it into a mini garden, a relaxing sitting area, or a combination of both? Let me know in the comments. Sometimes you don't need an entire garden. You just need one beautiful green corner. Look around your home for an empty area and is not being used. It could be besides a window and near your door, next to your entrance, or even in a unused outdoor corner. Start with one large statement plant, then add two or three smaller plants around it. You can create different heights using plant stands, stool, or shelves. This is especially useful if you love plants but don't want your entire space to feel crowded. The goal is not to fill every empty area. The goal is to create one area that looks intentional. Here is another simple solution for small spaces. Your ceiling and walls are valuable gardening space. Hanging baskets allow you to add greenery without using valuable floor or a table space. Trailing plants can look partially beautiful when they are allowed to naturally um, down, and depending on your conditions, you could explore plants such as string plants, trailing peperomia, and certain ferns. But don't choose a plant simply because it looks beautiful in photographs. Check how much light, humidity, watering, and space it actually needs. A healthy plant will always look better than a trendy plant that is not suited to your environment. Small space gardening does not have to be only about decoration. You can also grow something useful. A small herbs garden can work beautifully on a sunny balcony and a kitchen area. Try growing herbs such as basil, mint, and rosemary or parsley if your conditions are suitable. You can place them in individual pots or create one organized container arrangements. And I think this is one of the most satisfying type of small space gardening because you are not growing something beautiful, you are growing something you can actually use. Imagine picking fresh herbs while preparing dinner, and that small luxury that does not require a large garden. A garden becomes much more enjoyable when you have somewhere to sit and appreciate it. But small space requires small solution. Instead of full outdoor furniture set, and try one comfortable chair, a small bench, or a two compact chair with a tiny table. Then surround the sitting area with plants. Place taller plant behind the chair, smaller pots beside it, and perhaps a trailing plant nearby. This creates the feeling of being surrounded by greenery without overwhelming the space. And remember, your garden does not have to look perfect. Here is something that can make a small garden look much more professionally designed. Don't use plants that all look the same. Instead of combine different texture, try pairing a plant with the large leaves alongside something with the fine delicate foliage, and add a trailing plant next to an upright plant. And if your climate and the conditions allow it, introduce flowering plants for seasonal colors. This creates contrast, and the contrast make a small garden much more interesting. And you can also use different pot texture such as ceramic, terracotta, stone look, or a natural woven material. If your balcony or a small backyard feels too exposed, and plants can help create a sense of privacy. Instead of building large wall or a screen, consider using tall containers with a suitable plants. Depending on your climate and available light, you might explore options such as bamboo varieties, ornamental grasses, tall palms, or another suitable screening plants. The important thing is to choose plants that are appropriate for your local conditions and the amount of space available. And finally, let's talk about the smallest space. Maybe you don't have a balcony, maybe you don't have backyard, and may you don't even have enough floor space. And for a plant stands, you can still create a micro garden. Use a sunny window and install a narrow wall shelf. Use a small hanging planter or create a tiny collections of plants on one compact shelf. You don't need 20 plants. Even three careful selected plants can create a beautiful little green display, and this is something I really want you to remember. Small space does not mean small possibilities. It simply means you need to be more intentional with the space you have. I have tagged some of the plants, planters, and gardening art items that features are discussed on this video. If you have interested in any of them, feel free to explore. But before purchasing, make sure you compare different choices, check the reviews, look at the dimensions, and most importantly, check the whether the plant is suitable for your light, climate, and available space. Choose what works best for your own home. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest gardening challenge right now? No garden space, a tiny balcony, too much shade, or simply not enough room for plants? Tell me in the comments. Your answer may also give me idea for future videos. So if you thought you needed a huge backyard to create beautiful garden, I hope today's video changed your mind. A balcony can become a garden, a window can become a little green retreat, an empty corner can become a beautiful plant display. And even the smallest space can become something that feels personal, peaceful, and alive. You don't have to start big. Start with one plant, then one more, and slowly create a space that feels like your own. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Land of Ideas, and turn on the notification bell for more videos about plants, gardening, interior design, home decor, and creative ways to bring nature into your home. And if you know someone who keeps saying, I don't have enough space for a garden, share this video with them, because sometimes you don't need more space, you just need better ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Keep growing, keep creating, and keep bringing a little more nature into your everyday life.